In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use charts and indicators on eToro. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're logged in properly so you can access the full platform and interact with charts without interruption. If you're using the web version or the app, the overall process is very similar, so you can follow along either way. Once you're inside your account, head to the search bar and look for the asset you want to analyze. This can be a stock, crypto asset, commodity, or another market available on eToro. For this example, you can search for BTC, which stands for Bitcoin. Using the search bar is the fastest way to jump directly to the market you want to review, especially if you already know the asset name or ticker. When you see the asset in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This is where eToro gives you more detailed information about the asset, including price activity, market stats, and trading-related options. Opening the asset page is important because this is where you'll access the charting tools. Next, select the Chart tab. This will open the live price chart for the asset, and this is the main area where technical analysis happens. If you're new to charts, don't worry. The chart is simply a visual way to see how the price has moved over time, and indicators help you interpret that movement more effectively. On the chart toolbar, click the Indicators button. This opens the list of technical indicators that eToro makes available. Indicators are tools traders use to better understand momentum, trend direction, and possible market conditions. From that list, choose an indicator you want to use. Common examples include RSI, MACD, and moving average. RSI can help identify overbought or oversold conditions. MACD is often used to evaluate momentum and trend shifts, and a moving average helps smooth out price action so trends are easier to spot. Choose the one that best fits the kind of analysis you want to do. After selecting it, apply the indicator to the chart. You should immediately see it appear either directly over the chart or in a separate panel below it, depending on the indicator you selected. If needed, customize the indicator settings. This is useful if you want to change things like time periods, line styles, or calculation inputs. Small adjustments can make the indicator better match your trading style or the time frame you're analyzing. Finally, analyze the chart using the indicators you've added. Look at how the indicator behaves alongside the price movement, and use that information to better understand the asset's trend or momentum. Take your time here, because the goal is not just to add indicators, but to actually read what they're telling you. Thanks for watching.